Ready to reclaim control of your YouTube presence? Let's dive into deleting those YouTube shorts. We'll cover both iPhone and Android devices, so you can get rid of that embarrassing, old, or just unwanted content. To refresh your feed, first, open your YouTube app and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Navigate to your Shorts section. It may be under your profile. Find the short you want to delete and tap on it to play it. You want to look for the three dots. This could be at the top or bottom right of the video. Tap them to open the action list. Now is where it gets important. From the action list, look for the delete option. This will give you a confirmation window asking if you're sure. Carefully confirm that you do indeed want to delete this video, and select delete, and just like that, it should be gone. Deleting on your computer is simple too. Go to YouTube Studio, then in the left menu choose Content. Then you will want to select the Shorts tab. Now, a thumbnail view of all your shorts should appear. Hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the short you want to remove. A few icons will appear. You will want to click those three dots, like the phone. From here, just like on your phone, select Delete Forever. You might get a confirmation window this time to double check. Confirm your choice, and poof, the short is permanently gone. And that's all. You have now successfully deleted your YouTube shorts. Remember, you can do this on your phone or computer. Be sure to clean up your channel and update your privacy settings often. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips.